Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not launching. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your PC and open Settings, then click on Windows Update and make sure your system is fully updated. Install any pending updates and restart your computer if required. Next, open the launcher where GTA V is installed. If you are using the Epic Games, open it and go to Settings. Select the three-dot menu, select Manage, and click on Verify Files. This will scan and fix any missing or corrupted files. If the issue is still not fixed, close the launcher completely. Open Control Panel and click on Uninstall a program. Search for Rockstar and uninstall the Rockstar Games launcher only. Do not remove Rockstar Games Social Club at this stage. Now go to Documents, open Rockstar Games, and delete the Social Club and Launcher folders. After that, open Program Files and Program Files x86, find Rockstar Games, and delete the remaining folders. Finally, go to Google, search for Rockstar Launcher, download the latest version, and install it again. So that's basically how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced not launching. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.